Okay guys, next we will open the package for me. This from Toko Lutfi. What is things? This is Zebra Jumbo anti nyamuk bakar 0.6 mc. So it's high from Lutfi. Okay, one box, 5 couples, 10 pieces. Let's open this. This is an unboxing video, so I use this video for claim if something happen. Thank you. Okay, first of all, let's find the side, empty side. Yeah. This is the empty side. Okay. Oh, the packaging is awesome. This is Jumbo series. Okay, very safety. But in here, open up. Voila. Anti nyamuk bakar. Okay. Okay, this is very high MC for anti-mosquito. That's safe. Let's open this. Is there 5 couples? Oh yes, 5 couples. Oh my god. Any cracks behind this? No problem. Just little amount of cracks. Yeah, like this. Thank you.